The Westods portable wireless CarPlay car stereo with dashcam offers seamless connectivity with both iOS and Android devices, enhancing your driving experience with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Equipped with a 2.5K high-definition front camera and an AHD rear camera, this stereo ensures safe driving with features like split-screen view during reversing and loop recording. The stereo's Bluetooth functionality allows for hands-free calling and audio streaming, while its FM transmission ensures all sounds are clearly played through your car's speakers. Featuring a 9.3-inch HD IPS touchscreen with a resolution of 1600 by 600, the stereo delivers a superior visual experience with a wide viewing angle. Installation is straightforward, requiring no disassembly of your vehicle, and the device is compatible with a wide range of vehicles including campers, RVs, trucks, and vans. This car stereo makes an excellent gift for special occasions, such as birthdays, holidays, Father's Day, Christmas, and Thanksgiving Day.